this is I don't know what that means. And I will open this, but today I'm just gonna open one. And which one do you want to pick, guys? Do you want to pick this one or this one? Which one, guys? Do you want to pick this one? Okay. Then I will pick this one now. And I will take it on the back because look, guys. And I will take this off. The tape is so hard to get off. Just open on the top, guys. But then it make it too hard. I got the wood out now. And what is this? I don't know, guys. Let me take this out. And maybe this is a sandpaper. And this has two woods because we will take it out. Let me take it out now. Ta-da! If it's not good, we need to smooth it with the sandpaper. It's already good right now. Ta-da! This is the wings. And I'm gonna take more wings out. Look, guys, we have two wings, but one are not the same because they're one big and one small, and two small actually. And I will get this one out now. I get the big one out. And we have two wings for the back size. And now let me take this one out. I will put this out now. Let me get this out. And now I need to get another one. And what is this? I think this is the leg. Insects have a lot of legs, right? And sometimes have 2 legs or 4 legs or kind of a lot of legs. That's why they need legs to walk. And sometimes this would be good. I'm taking all of them out. I finished all the pieces out, and then now let me take this away, and I will take this away too. And I have one more to pop out, guys. Now let me get it out. To go now. Oh, I will put this right here. One more left, guys. Now I have all the pieces out. If it's not good, we can smooth it. Oh, what is not good? Because there nothing are not bad. Now I need to take the sandpaper away for a second. And now I have a construction. And guys, do you want to see this? Look at this picture. If it has the same number, put it together, guys. Okay? Now let's get started building it. Now let me find one. I have two sides, and one is this side and this side. And now let's build it. I need to get this piece. And now we need to get another piece. We need to get the number 3. Let's find the number 3. Where is the number 3? Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? Number 3. I see one right here. Is it supposed to be there? Tell us in the... If you click the subscribe button, and we know it. Let's get this one, and then we need to put it right in... Let's turn it right in this corner. Is it right, guys, or not right? Tell us. If you click the subscribe button, then we'll know it. And we got it already. So I will put it in now. Let me put this on this side. Like this. Let me put this in. Now let me do the other side. Now we are doing it, see guys? And now we need to do the next one. We are doing the number 4. I see 4 here. And I'm going to find another 4. Can you see it, guys? Can you find it? See? Let's start putting on the wings. I'm putting the big wing first. I'm pushing it in. Ta-da! Now let me put on the other one. Now I'm gonna put in the legs. And first I'm gonna put the first one, and then I'm about to put the second one. Now I'm gonna put the second one. Oh no, it's upside down. No, it's upside down. it doesn't stand yet. So I'm gonna put the insect on my table so I can make it stand better. Can I put it on? I'm gonna put the I'm about to put it on the table. So yeah, I'm putting it on the table now. I'm gonna put the third one now. Oh, I'm so excited to see what it looks like when it's finished. Turn this bed upside down. Right now, I'm gonna put the I don't know what it is, but I think it's backwards. So I'm gonna put it on, and I think I'm gonna put it backwards again. Oh no, it's backwards. Oh no, it's backwards. I'm gonna put the right way this time. Okay. I'm putting it the right way now. Okay. I will put this on. I will put this on. Okay, guys? We need to put the small one first. Daddy, see? Now we'll put on this one. See that, guys? Now let me put on this one. It's getting more bigger, guys. Now it's getting more bigger. Now it's getting more bigger. Now I finished now, and I will put his tail on. Ta-da! It's turning to an egg already. Now he can fly. He can fly. He's jumping on the door. Bye. Do you like this video? Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.